So what's up my people, it's your boy speaking here once again with another update. So this update, first of all, is for Nigerians only. I have another update just like that. This particular update now, it's a long time update. Sometimes last year something like this came up and it lasted for some months. So what I need you to do for me now is to make sure you watch this video attentively and also try our best to make use of this opportunity. Don't let it to pass you by. Although I'm not a financial advisor, do your own research before doing anything online investment. But this particular platform, the last time I saw this kind of platform, it's a very long-term platform. You understand? So what you have to do for me now, what you have to do on this particular platform is to follow the link in the description to sign up after you are done watching this video. Watch this video attentively to understand everything about the platform. So this is a platform where you rent a miner. So what you have to do is to sign up. After signing up in the platform with the link in the description, it's gonna take you over to this kind of place. So your account is gonna look zero. So all you have to do first of all is to click on this place now. Click on this place to join their Telegram channel. Click on this place to join their Telegram channel. Once you join the Telegram channel, they are gonna give you with 50 USD. As in 50 cents. They're gonna give you 0.5 USD. So as you can see in the Telegram, they are still new. This website is still new. Look at it over here. They still have below 1k subscribers on the Telegram channel. And you can also check out things that in their Telegram channel, payment proof and every other thing. You can see that they are still new in the platform. And one thing about this platform is that you can withdraw with Naira and you can withdraw with USDT. After joining the platform, they are come back to this place. After some time, they're gonna give you the 50 cents. So as you can see on my balance here, I'm currently having 12 USDT. Okay, as you can see now, my 50 USDT is my 50 cents is now there. So as you can see on my balance, I'm having 50 USD. The 12.5 USDT I'm having, the 12 USDT was actually me that recharged it, and I'm going to show you guys the reason why you also need 12 USDT to recharge it. This is not a lotion thing because it's not one of these kind of platforms that will come out and fold in 2 days, 3 days. No, this kind of platform is a long-term platform, just like the that I showed you guys. So what I have to do over here is to go ahead and click on this place that says shop. So if you click on this place as a shop, you will see this place, all this computing power here over here. These ones are the miners that you need to lease so that you'll be making income. Just like this particular, the first one is gonna cost you 12 USDT, and you are gonna be earning 1.8 USDT daily. The miner is gonna last for 10 days for you. So after 10 days, you can easily withdraw the 12 USDT. After you have recharged your 12 USDT, is gonna give you 18 USDT total. So you calculate your own gain. So after it, we have the 24 USD on, which is gonna be giving you 1.5 USDT for 30 days. You can also calculate it to know how much it's gonna be for you. The same thing goes for other miners over here. Look at this one, that's 8 USDT. It's gonna be giving you 2 USDT per day until 60 days. So you can check out other miners. So for me, I'm gonna lease this one. Don't click on lease, you're gonna lease this one. So all you have to do is to just click on this place that says lease. After you must have recharged. So all I have to do now is to click on lease, and you will see that I will leave their terms and condition and go over here to click on shop. So you can also lead it up. I don't need to read it. I've reviewed this website and I've seen how they work. So as you can see, I've leased it, and if you go over to my account now, you will see that I'm now having only 50 USD. So what you have to do now is to click on this place, go down after leasing your account, your miner, click on this place that says start. Look at it over here, click on it, click on this place that says start, and click on start. You will see that start is successful. After 24 hours, come back here and start using and click on this start again. Remember, if you do not click on the start, your miner will not be mining and your gain will not be going. So this is how to use this platform. Now this is the first part, this is first part of your earning. Let's go back to other ways of earning on this particular platform. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how to recharge on the platform. You can recharge with your bank account, you can recharge with USDT. So me, I love recharging with USDT. So all you have to do is to click on USDT and follow the instructions there. You can also chat their customer care in the description of this video. There is a WhatsApp link. Direct WhatsApp link to contact their customer care on WhatsApp, so that he will lead you through on everything you need to know about recharging and withdrawal. Also bear it in mind that if you want to withdraw, they normally charge 18% of whatever you want to recharge per each. If you want to withdraw, they charge 18% of whatever you want to withdraw for each withdrawal. They only charge 0 fee on each and on every single the first day of every month. That means we are in November, so by next year, which is next month, which is December, 1st December, if you want to withdraw on 1st December, you're not gonna be charged anything. So for me, I might not withdraw now until 1st December. So 1st December is a couple of days coming. Today is 23 of December, right? November. So in 7 to 8 days time, I will try my best to withdraw, so that I will not get charged. I will not spend my 18% of my income while withdrawing. So this is how to withdraw. So how do you really earn more on this particular thing? You can earn more by referring someone. Okay, let's click on this place that says invite. If you invite someone, how to invite, copy your referral link or referral code, just like my own referral code is in the description below. And then if you click on team here, you see that you will have three levels of referral. This is not like the other scam site that's normally scamming you guys. This site is a long-term platform, so don't joke with it. You have 3 levels of referral here. So according to the customer service, if you invite anybody, you're gonna get 0.03 USDT just per invite. But that one is not the main thing. If you go over, if after your invitee, the person that you invited, have recharged this account, you're gonna get $1. So imagine inviting 10 people to 20 people to this thing, you are gonna get extra $1 to this thing, as far as the people that you invited were recharged. And you're going, if you have a money, just like AI mining, they pay monthly salary for inviting people. This is a monthly salary reward. If you have up to 8 people on your 8 people that you invited under a month, they're gonna reward you with 6 USDT. If you have up to 50 people that you invited, they're gonna reward you with 50 USDT, and so on and so forth. Look at it over here. This is the things that they're gonna do. Look at it over here. So this is how to earn more on it. You can choose to invite your friends and your family members if you trust the platform well. You can also choose to do it on your own. So their referral program is so sweet. So if you can invite anybody. If you cannot invite, try as much as you can to use this platform to maximize your earning. For me, I'm doing the 12 days on. Look at it over here. 12 days on is the one I'm doing. And if you go over to my mining here, you see that this 12 days on is running. It's gonna end purchase time is this time. It's gonna end in 10 days. So every day I'm earning 1.8 USDT from this particular platform. Don't joke with this. I beg of you, don't joke with it. And also try as much as you can to remember that every single 24 hours, like me, I'm making this video by after 6. So every 24 hours I'm gonna come back to this particular place and click on start. Every 24 hours I'm gonna come back to it and click on start. So if you want to know more about it, check the description of this video for a link to their customer service. He or she is gonna explain everything you need to know more about this particular platform. So as for now, let me not make this video long, because I explain everything you guys need to know about this particular platform. The more information is gonna be explained to you by their customer service. So as for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.